Class 4 GK. Okay, let's start now. Today we'll do lesson 6. Previously I taught you this one, lesson 5. Now we'll do lesson 6. All of you please write the date here. 12/5/20. Okay. Now Indian dances. In India there are many forms of dances everyone knows. Kathak, Manipuri, Bharatnatyam, Kathakali, Odissi. Then many are there. Okay. So we'll learn about some form of dances today now. There are some famous ancient dance forms of India. Okay, there are many famous dance forms. Ancient, they are very old dance forms of India. There are our rich cultural heritage. So they are our rich cultural heritage or pride, that is. Okay, let us start now. Mention the name of dance form in the space provided with the help of the clue. Some clues are given. You see the pictures. You have to see the pictures, and after reading the clues, we have to write the dance form here. What type of dance is this? Okay, let us start now. Let us read now. Number 1. It is a popular. See, what is this? It is a popular. It is a popular classical dance form of Uttar Pradesh. Now, it is a dance form of Uttar Pradesh. It has originated from storytelling. It has come from storytelling. Birju Maharaj is one of a popular dancer. Birju Maharaj is one of the popular dancer of this dance form. Now 3 hints you got. It has come from Uttar Pradesh. It is a type of storytelling. Okay, started from storytelling, and Birju Maharaj is one of its popular dancers. Hints are given. A few hints are given. See, okay. In the box, you can see certain hints are given here. So number 1 will be Kathak. What will be? Number 1, it will be Kathak. Birju Maharaj is famous for Kathak dance. So it will be Kathak. K-A-T-H, Kathak, number 1. Then number 2. It is one of the popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. See the picture? It is one of the popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. Everyone knows this one. See the posture? It's Bharatnatyam. What is this? Bharatnatyam posture. See the dance form? It is popular dance form of Tamil Nadu. It's very famous in Tamil Nadu. So what is this? Bharatnatyam. Okay, what will you write here? Write here Bharatnatyam, number 2. And number 3. It is one of the famous dances showing the frolics and love of showing the postures and love of Radha Krishna. It is performed in northeastern state with the name similar to that of the state. Now see, it has the dance form name is similar to the state. Okay, the state in which this dance originated, the dance form name is similar to name of a state. One hint we got. It is one of the famous dance showing the postures, frolics and the postures and the love of Radha Krishna. Okay, is performed in northeastern state. 3 hints we got. Is performed in northeastern states. Now what is this? This is, and name is similar to name of the state, with the name similar to that of the state. What? See the dance form. See the dress. It's what type of dress? See, it's a Manipuri. What will be? Manipuri dance. Okay, what will be? Manipuri dance form. So what will write a number 3? Manipuri. Number 3, Manipuri. Now number 4. It is a famous dance form of Kerala. Okay, it is a famous dance form of what? Kerala. It is a famous dance form of Kerala. The dancers use a lot of colorful face paint. The dancers use a lot of colorful face paint and elaborate dresses and headgears. They wear too much of dresses, and headgears means something is worn on the head. The facial expression are quite important in this form. In this dance form, the facial expression is too much important. Without that, you cannot understand. You have to give lot of face expression. Facial means face expression. Okay, what facial expression? So this, see now, these are the hints now. It is a famous dance of Kerala. The dancers wear lot of colorful facial paint. The face is too much colored, painted. Okay, and they have a long dress, elaborate dresses, okay, a full type of dress, and a headgear is worn. See the headgear on the head they are wearing, and too much of facial expression is needed in this dance form. So what is this? This is Kathakali. This is what? Kathakali dance form. What you will write here? Kathakali. Kathakali. Facial expression. By talking, by faces we can understand. So that is Kathakali. Clear? So for today, this much. You will do this one homework and do it. You will write the names. All help. It is written in the help box. You will write the names and you will send it. Okay. This one will be your homework. Clear? Class 4. Please send your homework, class 4. Many of you are not doing your homeworks. Class 4, it's a request to you all. Okay? You do this and send it in the group. It's very easy. All the answers are written here. You write the right answers and you send it. Clear? Number 1, number 2, number 3, and this is number 4. Okay? So you write this and send it. For today, this much. Thank you.